Welcome to solverfy.
We have a diagram that I'd like to draw. And we have point masses of equal mass. And they are all a distance L from each other. So we're trying to find magnitude and direction of the gravitational field at this point here, where there is no mass, but at this point. We know that F equals G m1 m2 over r squared, which is mass times acceleration. Get rid of one of these. Let's just say m2. So the acceleration is g m over r squared. So we're going to have acceleration vertically. We will have acceleration horizontally, and we will have acceleration directed toward the mass there as well. So let's start with the green one. Acceleration in the green direction is gm over r squared, which is L squared. The acceleration in the blue direction is the same. Gm over L squared. But in the red direction, the distance, the hypotenuse here, is the square root of 2L. So green direction, no, not green direction, red direction, still the same mass, but we have the square root of 2L. And this is 45 degrees. Because the adjacent and the opposite are the same length. Whoops. Okay, red. Okay, gm over 2 L squared. So the resultant is going to be in the direction of the red vector, because if you add up the green vector and the blue vector, the addition of those two is going to be in the direction of the red vector. And so we can add up the blue vector plus the green vector. So I'm just going to draw it again here. The blue vector, whoops, plus the green vector, and that will be in the direction of the red vector. The blue vector is gm over L squared. The green vector is also gm over L squared. That's going to give us, if we add them together, blue and green added together is going to be the square root of G, let me change colors here, blue 1, GM over L squared, plus the green one, GM over L squared. That would be 2 GM over L squared, which would be the square root all right, I forgot to put my squares in here. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So there's 2 of them, so we still have the square root of 2. And then it's just going to be GM over L squared. And so now we can add these together, the A sub BG plus the red A that's going to be the square root of 2 GM over L squared plus 1/2 GM over L squared at theta equals 45 degrees. So that is GM over L squared times the square root of 2 plus 1/2 that is not exactly what is shown. Nevertheless, it is the same thing as what is shown in the back of the book. I don't really like in the back of the book how it leaves a radical in the denominator, but nevertheless, if you factor out the square root of 2, you get 1 plus 1 over 2 square roots of 2 times the square root of 2. And that's what's shown in the back of the book at 45 degrees.